Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 12th of January 2024. Indian equity indices continued their northbound journey on the fourth day, January 12th, with benchmark indices hitting fresh record highs largely supported by IT stocks posting inline quarterly earnings from sector giants INFOSYS and TCS. At close, the Sensex was up 847.27 points, a 1.18% at 72,568.45. And the Nifty was up 247.30 points, a 1.14% at 21,894.50. The biggest gainers on the Nifty included Infosys, ONGC, Tech Mahindra, LTI Mindtree and TCS, while losers were Cipla, Apollo Hospitals, Power Grid Corporation, Ultratech Cement and Bajaj Finserv. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Lodha, listed as MICROTECH developers, soared around 6% on January 12 after Jefferies assigned a buy rating to the stock, citing a positive outlook for sales of residential projects. Land prices have doubled in 3 years. However, there is potential upside in the long term, the brokerage said, as it revised the target price to 1,290 rupees from 884 rupees. According to analysts at Jefferies, the opening of the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link would boost connectivity in the city Mumbai and will be good for MICROTECH developers. Shares of KPI Green Energy jumped more than 3% to a fresh 52-week high after its arm, KPIG Energia Private Limited, received an order for a solar power projects. Samvaria Processes Private Limited has asked KPIG Energia to build 2 MW solar power projects, which are to be completed by financial year 2025, in various tranches as per the terms of the order, the company said in a filing. KPI Green Energy is a solar power generating company that provides power both as an independent power producer under the brand name of Solarism and as service provider to captive power producer customers. BAJEL Projects share price rose 5% in early trade on January 12 after the company received a letter of intent worth 487.64 crore rupees for supply and installation services of a transmission project. BAJEL Projects has received a LOI for supply of plant and installation services for engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning of transmission lines and GIS substations by the Tata Power Company Limited for and on behalf of their project-specific SPVIEM, S. Jalpura, Khurja Power Transmission Limited, the company said in a release. Shares of Tata Consumer Products Limited gained over 2% to 1,146 rupees to touch a new 52-week high on January 12 on the buzz that the company is all set to acquire Capital Foods and Fab India-backed Organic India, ending months of negotiations, the Economic Times reported. The acquisition assumes significance for the FMCG giant as it provides access to products with a broader taste profile, entry into new markets, and an expanded portfolio of organic items catering to consumers seeking healthier alternatives. Shares of India's second-largest IT services company INFOSYS surged nearly 7% in opening trade on January 12 after brokerages expect the worst for the company to be behind on the back of its strong new deal wins in Q3. Large deal wins for Infosys remained strong at $3.2 billion in Q3, with 71% of them being net new deals. Global brokerage firm Jefferies was impressed with the company's net new order book, which stood at $2.2 billion. The brokerage said strong deal wins provide comfort to its expectations of a 13% APE CAGR over financial year 2024 to 26. It retained its buy call on the stock with a price target of 1,740 rupees. Dhanlakshmi Bank Limited in daily time frame is trading around 36.30 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 42.13 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 31.7, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.06. MICROTECH India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 193.10 points with a change of 19.68% and is trading with a net volume of around 253.71 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 166.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.28. Polred Technologies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 210.60 points with a change of 18.38% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.392 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 187.20, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.68. For the stock recommendation we have, Union Bank of India Limited looks good and can be bought at 132 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 127 rupees and a target of 137 rupees. You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.